Hey everyone, this is Frugal Panda here with a review of the Anker PowerCore 20,000 mAh portable charger. This is a cool charger right here. It can actually charge two USB-A devices at the same time. So for example, I could charge my iPhone in one of the USB ports and then charge my Apple Watch in the other, or my GoPro or whatever that uses USBs. 20,000 mAh is a really large battery, really cool battery. It has the ability with it to charge multiple different kinds of small devices. It comes with an 18-month hassle-free warranty according to the manufacturer. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video. This is my impressions of this charger. It has a safe and speedy charging for small devices. It has an ability to continually to charge at a very efficient rate and make up for, like, say, lost charge capacity in regards to a lot of times the energy is lost going from the cable to the item that you're charging, so it can do that. It comes in a nice box. The box itself is easy to open, so it's not one of those ones where you're gonna, rip open your hand or something because of the plastic and everything. Came out really easy. It was no hassle to it. Comes with instructions and a little some paperwork in regards to the warranty and stuff. Also, as you can see, it came with a little protective case, which I really liked. Little protective bag, and the bag was actually really soft. I like that little bag. It also comes with a charging cord with it, and the charging cord is a basic USB style charging cord that's real simple. You probably everyone usually has them sitting around their house for different things. I have like probably 10 of them, from everything from old Android phones to other chargers I've gotten in the past. I really like the 18-month warranty on it. I've had Anker products before in the past, charging cables and stuff, and they're actually really good. It can recharge with the micro USB and a micro USB-C. So that's really handy. And like I said, the micro USB that comes with it is so easy to find. They're everywhere. There's everywhere. You probably find them anywhere you looked, from a thrift store to any store. They're around. So don't worry if you lost it. You probably have 3 of them hanging around your house. And if you don't, you can probably order 5 of them straight off of eBay or AliExpress for a few bucks at the most. I'd recommend those charging cables, even though it comes with one. Make sure you have about 2 or 3 of them, always. I usually keep an extra one in my car, or the vehicle I use for camping and traveling and stuff like that, in case you lose one. The size of it, it's a pretty decent size, as you can see. It's about the size of my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Smaller than it, but about that size and about that thickness. It can fit in your palm or your pocket, as you can see as I'm holding on to it. And it can fit in your pocket. I put it in my pocket, so I can carry this around. Would I keep it in my pocket? No, I wouldn't. Usually when I'm traveling or I'm doing something, I have it in a backpack. And what I do is, in that micro USB cord that comes with it, I usually go ahead and I order a lot longer one, so I can have it in my backpack and then have the cord just running out of it, and say my phone in my back pocket or whatever, just charging while it's in my pocket or whatever, and I don't have to worry about it. It holds a battery for a very long time. A charge for a very long time, I can tell you that. This will be used with a heated vest that I have. It won't just be used with the heated vest, but that's one of the main things. The heated vests use a 10 mAh portable chargers with them. So when I bought this, the main thing was I wanted to get a 20,000. Better safe than sorry. I'd rather have one that lasts a lot longer, so my heated vest lasts a lot longer when I need it and stuff like that. But it will also be used with my phone and all that good stuff, because I have twin mAh chargers that are 10,000 mAhs, and you've seen a review of those. But a 20,000, I was really interested in having one that was much bigger and that would last quite a bit. And as you can see, as I plug in different things to see, as you saw right there. So what happened right there, I always do this with these power chargers. It has that USB-C on it. And I'm like, oh, well, I can plug my phone in, because I have an iPhone, like I said. I said, well, I can plug my phone into that USB-C. No, you can't. I always do this. That USB-C is just another port for it to charge on. So if you plug your USB-C into that and then say plug your iPhone into it like you do on your rapid charger, you're not going to get any juice from it because it's actually an input, not an output. So you have to use the two USB ports on it, as you can see right there, to charge your phone, not the USB-C, which throws a lot of people off, especially if you have a later iPhone. So just remember that when you get it, you cannot charge off of it. I didn't even have to charge it on. I didn't even have to turn it on to get it to charge. Once I plugged in the item, it started charging. As you can see, as I'm showing right here, I plugged in my Apple Watch charger right here. Took my Apple Watch off, put it right on the charger, and it started charging it. Pretty simple. It can charge multiple things, everyone. I actually really like this little power charger, and what I really like about it is its size. 20,000 mAh is a lot. That's plenty of power. The 10,000 mAh was pretty good too, because I have a couple of 5,000s, and they were just good enough to charge my phone maybe once, 1.5 times, maybe twice. The 10,000 can do it multiple times, but this 20,000 one can charge my iPhone quite a few times and multiple other things, which I really do like. So I don't have to worry about during the day I'm out or I'm camping, say, charging my phone. And also I have portable solar panel that has a USB on it that I bet you I can modify to charge this. Or I can charge this right off my Jackery while my Jackery is plugged into my little solar panel. Therefore, it's always fully charged for my camping and my travel trips. You saw my wireless charger. It worked with my wireless charger. No problems. As you can see, the bag right here fits easily. It's not one of those bags like, you know how you do sleeping bags and stuff, how you have a hard time getting stuff back in the bag once you take it out. Not with this. This little soft cloth charging bag right here was so easy. Holding bag was so easy to put my stuff in. As you can see, the texture, it has a cloth texture on one side, so it's soft-sided. Is it dependable, or sturdy looking? Yes, it is. Would I play football with it? No, I would not. It's a charger, a power charger, portable power charger. So I would not do that with this type of charger. In fact, I would actually keep it in the bag when I'm not using it. And I do that with all mine. I make sure they're protected because I want them to work when I need them to work. Anyway, I hope this helps someone who's interested in one of these products. And I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in buying this. Anyway, everyone, thank you for watching, and I really appreciate your time. Bye now.